Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Windsurf AI code editor in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Windsurf download. You'll be getting the first link from Codium. So just click here and we'll be having the download the Windsurf editor. If you click on see all download options, we are having for Linux, Mac also. So just click here and the 64-bit one, and the download is getting started. It is about 131 MB in size. Just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just open it. Just click on this and run anyway, and you'll be getting the Windsurf setup. Just click on I accept and click on next, and this is going to be the default location where it's going to get installed. If you want to change it, you can just click on browse and change it. Click on next and make sure that you're having the create a desktop icon, and this is fine. I'll just click on next and select install, and once it is done, just click on finish. Check this launch Windsurf, and as you can see here, they are also having this particular thing going on. We are getting unlimited GPT 4.1 model for free from April 14 to April 21. So welcome to Windsurf. Just select get started, and if you have any setup, you can just start afresh. If you're already having a cursor or VS Code, you can try that. I'll just go with start fresh, and let me go with default VS Code for key bindings. Next, and I'll just go with this dark theme. Next, and yeah, make sure that you are signing in. So just click on sign up. If you already have an account login, just go with sign up. So it will take you to the browser, and you can sign up with your Google account or GitHub or just by using your email. So once you sign in, you will be getting this redirection pop-up. Just select open Windsurf, and that's it. We will be getting the Windsurf interface like this, and quite similar to all the other AI editors out there. We are having the coding area over here, and to the right we are having the place where we will be putting this prompt. And as you can see, we are having this particular thing, GPT 4.1, the model which they launched yesterday alone. So this is currently available over here, and they have so many new models over here. So I'm using the free version, so obviously they will be having a rate limit. And in case if you want to open an existing project, you can just click on open folder and open it and add AI code to that. So they have two modes, one is write and another one is chat. So in case if you want Windsurf to make changes to your code and also generate code, I would recommend you to go with this write mode, because as you can see, when write is turned on, you will be able to make changes to your code. And if you go with chat, if the chat is on, you'll be general suggestion. So in case if you want to generate code, just go with this write mode. And let me just go and ask it a simple prompt. So this is the prompt that I'm going to give: generate the HTML CSS login and sign up screen with parallax effect. And the model that I'm going to choose is GPT 4.1, the latest model, and just send it. It has automatically created these 4 files: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a README file. And I didn't even specify the location. It has itself automatically created all these files in this particular path. So we're having the README, which gives us a list of features and the usage and the customizations that can be done. Just a overview of what each file does. So that's pretty amazing. And 4 files with changes, just select accept all. So this is the output that it gave me. That really looks cool, not bad to be honest. Yeah, I like the effect, how it moves up and down. And in case if you want to make any specific changes, you can just highlight this, and you're having the edit and chat options. So if I go to click on chat, we'll be having this file, and we are having the line number also, which is 10 to 45. So you can just ask any changes which are needed to be done. So in this case, I'll just go and say, can you remove sign up, and hit enter. And you're also having to mention that particular file itself. If you put at, as you can see, we're having the web files and directories and docs. Okay, and it has made the necessary changes. If you want to accept all, you can click on that. If you want to accept this particular code block, you can click this individual one. I'll just click on accept. Here also accept, and that's it. That particular code has been removed. So this is basically how you use, guys. Try it out and do check the playlist of my channel. learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.